If you're someone who adores fabric and the holiday season as much as I do, you probably kept all your Christmas fabric scraps that seem too small to sew into anything. But fear not, because we're going to transform these little gems into charming Christmas banners. To kick things off, let's get your fabric scraps in tip-top shape for this creative journey. Meet our trusty companion, Bondaweb. My heat and bond paper is already printed with the letters and decorative stars and trees for my Christmas banner project today. It has two sides, one with non-stick paper and the other with plastic paper. I printed my pattern on the paper side. If you want to print your own letters, make sure to mirror the letters first. Double check to ensure the plastic side is facing up, and the letters should be in the right way viewing from the plastic side. Now, arrange your fabric scraps with care. Make sure they don't overlap excessively and that there are no significant gaps. Place a piece of baking paper on top and secure the fabric scraps in place with the iron. Flip it over and give it a good press. I've noticed that the printed design might smudge with the iron, so it's a good idea to include a sheet of baking paper on this side as well. I didn't do this in the video. Cut the extra unbonded fabric scraps off. Let's do the same with the second heat and bond sheet. Your beautiful, bonded fabric with patterns is ready for the next step. Carefully cut the letters out. For letters with enclosed spaces, such as A and R, you can simply cut the fabric open to make the cutting process easier. Please don't throw the cutoffs away. Next time let's make something with them. Peel off the backing paper from your letter and iron it onto the base felt. For those new to free motion embroidery, using thick and firm felt as a base is an excellent choice. Thoughtfully arrange the letters and shapes, making the most of the available felt. Set your sewing machine to the free motion embroidery setting and let the creative journey begin. This is my real speed. And here comes 4 times time lapse. Now even quicker, 8 times. Don't be deceived by the sped-up sewing videos. Trust me, no one can do it that fast. The combination of sunshine and the Christmas fabric fills me with a profound sense of joy. Here's a wonderfully simple yet charming Christmas tree design. I plan to create several of these as gift tags. What do you think? We can place another piece of felt beneath it to hide the messy stitches. Or like I did, simply cut them out. Our Christmas banner is complete. Thank you for joining me in celebrating the magic of the season through creative crafting.